Welcome back to this video. My name is Rafi Yakub right here, and in today's video I'm going to show you on how to simply turn on safe browsing in your Google account, step-by-step guide. So let's see. But before we dive into tutorial, if you find this tutorial useful and you are very new to this channel, remember, click on that subscribe, turn on the notification bell for more useful tutorial like this. So with that being said, let's get started. The very first thing you need to do is head over to your phone settings. So I'm going to click on here, open up my phone settings. Next thing you need to do is to simply scroll down all the way down and make sure you click on Google. The next thing you need to do is to simply click on your Google name. Then proceed to your Google account. Then you have to swipe this way and make sure you go to security. Then you have to simply scroll down right here. Scroll down all the way down and get to enhance safe browsing for your account. So simply click on that. So it's going to take you right here. What you need to do is to make sure you turn on this particular button. Lastly, you can exit from here and then head over to your Chrome browser. So I'm going to simply head over to my Chrome browser right here. Then having opened up my Chrome browser, next thing I'm going to do is to click on these three dots from the top. The next thing I'm going to do is to go to settings. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to head over to security and privacy. Then the next thing I'm going to do is to simply scroll down right here and go to safe browsing. The next thing I'm going to do is to switch to enhanced protection. Then I can simply go back. At the time I refresh right here, you can see enhanced protection is on. It's as simple as that. So basically, this is how to simply enable or turn on safe browsing to your Google account and protect your browsing activities in Google. I hope you really got value for this video. If you find this video useful, give this video a big like, and also remember to subscribe to the channel for more useful tutorials like this. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye for now.